The reading-writing connection makes sense to beginning readers in a number of ways. One connection explored is evident in this class. Observe carefully.
Class, I wrote some letters on the board. You may not find it easy to name them because I did not write them properly. Let's do something so that everybody recognizes the letters. Watch me do the first one. What letter is this? A. Yes, that's letter A. Now, who will do the next? B. Oh, Kyle? Faster. Correct. Let's give Kyle 2 claps. 1, 2. Very good, Kyle. Now, who can do the next? Next one. Yes, Marvea? She's very careful. Thank you, Thea. Now, class, I want you to read the letters that you framed. Everybody, let's read. A. Very good. Now, I want you to copy the letters. You may start copying now.
Obviously, the teacher made the learners trace and copy the letters. The learners had been taught the names of the letters earlier. The last activity was meant to reinforce the letter recognition skill. The writing here might seemingly be a penmanship practice. It might be doing this purpose, but primarily it was meant to effect learning via a multisensory approach. The activity should not lead you to a misconception where writing is often interpreted as penmanship or handwriting practice. Handwriting lessons are necessary and prerequisite to writing or composing lessons. Writing lessons, even in the early grade, should be interpreted as composing lessons. Penmanship training is a mechanical prerequisite. For beginners, then, reading-writing connection may reinforce the learning of the code used in print language, which is largely composed of the alphabet. Enhancing the relationship of reading and listening is another fertile area to explore. The integration of the two is relatively easier. Skills in listening parallel those in reading. The difference lies in the medium used. In listening, oral signals of meaning are interpreted. In reading, the same signals of meaning are used, but these signals are given in written form. Cognitive processes involved are similar in both listening and reading. One listens for a main idea. One reads for a main idea too. One may ask to summarize a written essay. Indeed, the similarity of skills is obvious. What does this mean to the classroom teacher? Which of the two skills is he or she going to introduce? It's not a matter of choice. If your students need listening comprehension skills more than reading skills, then you have to give your students activities on listening or vice versa. What is most important to remember is the fact that reading and listening complement and supplement each other in the development of skills. You can refer to the TSM for a fuller presentation of this. We've run through sample activities to illustrate integration, in particular, reading with the other language skills. Let the samples be stimuli for you to explore other possibilities on creating instructional linkages among the language areas. I am sure your experience and professional readings will provide a strong backup to enrich, elaborate, modify whatever you saw today for maximum results in your own specific localities. When we return, we shall make a recap of today's lesson. Stay with us.